Guys, thank you so much for joining us. And today in this particular video, we have our guest, and I want to know from you, sir. First of all, where are you from?
I'm from Kolkata,
Yeah,
West Bengal. It belongs to West Bengal.
yeah, I know.
It's the capital of Kolkata. Everybody knows. Okay, I'm from Kolkata.
The only thing I know about this, place is the people from there are highly educated. The literacy rate is always high in comparison to the other states in India. Okay, so the next question I have for you, I want to know the actually the importance of English. Is it important for the beginners, learners who want to speak English, and why it is important for us? So please, sir, you have a long experience. Please tell my students and tell us the importance of it a little bit.
First of all, I want to say that India is a multilingual country. There are so many languages. If you go to south, there is different southern languages in north, in eastern India. So
Yeah.
the main English is the coordinating things actually. It fill in the blanks. It blanks the gap actually. So when you go to south, you didn't know the Kannada or something. You have to speak in English only. In Bengali also, most of the Bengal people, they didn't speak in English, in Hindi. If you want to encounter, to say something, to express something, English is the best medium actually. And if you go to the western side, southern side, English, more or less everybody know English actually, can speak English a little bit, they can understand English only. So English is the very important still now, and I think for the in future, in 200 years, English will stand the same role, will in the same position actually. And secondly, if you are a science people, you have to learn English. This is the ultimate destination. If you are in a computer, if you in technology sectors and technology areas, you have to learn English. You have to know English. You have to speak English. And after your training, you have to go abroad. There, English is the first thing. You shouldn't learn Spanish or that is thing. English, you can do your work. You can express yourself outer in India actually. If you go to Spain, if you go to Portugal, if you go to wherever you want to, then everybody know English. And you know that the computer program still now is not been created in Hindi. You have to learn English through English. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, I want to ask to you. It looks like you are at Sarnath, and you are looking the beauty of this place actually. So please tell us a little bit about you are coming from. It is South India.
Kolkata.
Yeah, so it is in South region, I think.
No. It is the eastern region.
Yeah, eastern region. Okay, so you are coming from eastern region of India. So I want to know from you, for my beginners and learners, please tell us something who you are. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Awnindra Brahmachari. I'm from St. Xavier's Institution, Panihati, which is one of the best school of ICS, one of the best school of ICSE board, and it has ranked many. And from our school, first, second, third persons have ranked. From here.
You mean to say this is a reputed institution?
Yes.
You are okay. So one more question I have for you is, I want to tell my students through this video, people in rural UP, they are unable to speak English and they find it difficult how to speak it. So do you have any solution or suggestion to give to them? How can they communicate in English? Is there any possible solution you want to give to my students?
Speak English, more you will be fluent.
My teachers tell, even my principals also tell, ki start talking in it slowly. For 5 minutes, for 10 minutes, like that, and slowly we will start to learn it, and by our mistake we will learn this language.
You mean to say we have to correct our mistakes, but we did in the past, and we should practice it
more.
Learning by mistake. Practice.
Even I also sometimes humbles, and teachers also correct me there, but my principal says, "Ki do it."